Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a witness in Docusign step by step. Alright, just follow me through to enjoy and learn from this video. The first thing we want to do is head over to our Google Chrome browser, which I'll be using for the course of this video, and then sign up or log into our Docusign account if we already have an account. If you do not have an account, please do well to click on this first link and go through the process of signing in for Docusign. Alright, if you already do have an account, you just navigate to Docusign, log in, and to take you to this dashboard. The next thing you want to do is head over to your templates over here. As you can see at the top, we have a list of items, and then we'll head over to templates to add a witness in Docusign. All right, so we'll click on templates and we have a list of options already here. So what we want to do is create a particular template that we want to work with. So what we'll do is head over to create template. As you can see up here, and we'll click on create template and it will begin to create a template for us. So to add a witness account is to ensure that legal documents like wills, deeds, or certain agreements follow the particular process it is supposed to follow. All right, so to create a template, all you have to do is head over to add document. All right, add the document you want to work with. Like I showed you in the previous video, you can add a document from Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, from your desktop, or you can simply create a new document. And after doing that, you head over to this field to fill them up. All right, so you head over to row. This is where you can state that this particular recipient is either an admin or a witness. After doing that, you head over to name, fill up their names, email address, head over to this particular column here, need to sign, click on it, and then pick whichever preference suits them. If you need to add much more recipients, just head over here, click on it, add recipients, or come to this drop down button. You can either add them from your contact list or you can add them manually. So if I click on this, I have another field created. All right, so I would have to fill up this and then ensure that I state that they are a witness. For instance, I'm going to type witness here and then fill up their name. See, this is the name of the recipient I want to work with. And when I'm done, I will just save and sign up. So this is how you can add witness in Docusign. I hope that you've been able to learn and it was seamless for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, bye for now.